In the small town of Ravenswood, nestled among the trees, stood an old house with a dark history. The house sat eerily close to the edge of the town's graveyard, where tombstones jutted up from the earth like jagged teeth. Legend had it that the house was cursed, its previous inhabitants meeting gruesome fates one by one. Despite the warnings, the Jánsen family moved in, unaware of the chilling whispers that echoed through the halls at night. Strange occurrences began to unfold. Shadows danced in the corners, and whispers filled the air even when no one was around. Doors slammed shut on their own, and cold drafts whispered through the rooms like icy fingers tracing down one's spine. Late one stormy night, as lightning illuminated the graveyard, young Sarah Jánsen awoke to a chilling sight. Standing at the foot of her bed was a ghostly figure, its hollow eyes staring into her soul. Frozen with fear, she watched as the apparition beckoned her to follow. Driven by an otherworldly force, Sarah ventured into the graveyard, the muddy earth swallowing her footsteps. Amongst the tombstones, she stumbled upon an ancient mausoleum, its stone door cracked open like a sinister grin. Inside, she found a hidden chamber, its walls adorned with cryptic symbols and faded paintings of unspeakable horrors. In the center of the room lay a coffin, its lid slightly ajar. With trembling hands, Sarah pushed it open, revealing a ghastly sight that would haunt her dreams forever. As the morning light broke through the clouds, the townspeople discovered the Jánsen house abandoned, its windows shattered and doors hanging off their hinges. The family was never seen again, their fate forever entwined with the dark secrets of the graveyard and the cursed house that stood beside it.